Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set custom notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply open your file apps and select any sound that you wanna make your ringtone or message sound. So like I'm select, okay, click on to download option. So I'm just select this, long press, click on to move, click on, and you just move this audio, select notification option, okay, just move here, okay, and when I'm open settings, click on notification, click on sound and vibration, click on ringtone or press on notification sound, then successfully add this audio. So you need to just select any music, audio and move only notification folder, then successfully add in here. Just select